Hi, welcome to our seventh Java tutorial. Okay, so in this tutorial we can discuss with how to create variables in Java applications. Okay, so in the previous tutorial we created this application. No? So right now I'm going to remove this system.println statement. Okay, so to create variables we must and should declare the variables. Okay, means the variable declaration is very similar to your C and C++ syntax. Okay, but we will be having an access specifier in Java applications, and this was present in under C++ also, but here the procedure is simply a different one. Okay, see, first of all, to create variables in this program it does not need any access specifiers. Okay, to create variables we need to go for the data type int, and I am going for a. Okay, the next variable int b, and the next variable int c. Okay, instead of this one we can create all these variables in a single line also, something like this. Okay, so a, b, comma c. Okay, so after creating the variables a, b, c, so I'm going to put some values, something like a equals to 10 and b equals to 20. Okay, so the next statement is c equals to a plus b. I'm going to add those values 10 and 20. Okay, so right now I need to print the value of c. Okay, see here I have just given the value of a to 10 and b to 20, because what happens in Java applications, okay, accepting runtime parameter is a little bit difficult one. Means what happens, you need to go for input output operations in that situations. Okay, to accept runtime parameters to the variable. Okay, so to accept runtime parameters to the variable, during the runtime parameters to the variable, we can discuss that in our java.io package. Okay, means we can discuss that concepts in next upcoming tutorials. Okay, so here right now I'm just giving a variable value directly over here. Okay, so here what happens, after calculating that c is equal to a plus b, I'm going to print that value of c system.out println. Okay, so here println it's simply prints c equals to. Okay, c equals to, over here I'm going to use plus c. Okay, it looks different for you right now. So what happens, this plus in Java, okay, act as a concatenation operator. That means what happens, so this plus is used to concatenate a string or any values. Okay, so after this c equals to, after printing this statement c equals to, it will concatenate the value of this c over here. Okay, so I'm going to save this one. So after saving this one, we're gonna compile this one, say java c first dot java. Okay, and later java space first. Okay, enter this one, we will be getting the output. Okay, so this is how the variables are used in the program. Okay, what happens, to accept runtime parameters we need java.io package. We can discuss with that in the next tutorials. That's why here a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20 directly I am giving in the program. Okay, see here after giving that I'm just calculating c is equal to a plus b, which is nothing but 30. Okay, I need to print that 30 over here using the system.out.println. A slight modification in system.out.println statement. Okay, it's simply format string, which is nothing but c equals to, and also we need to print the value of c using that plus c. Plus is acting as a concatenation operator in Java technologies. Okay, so this is what actually the use of variables in the Java. Okay, if these variables are declared here, okay, see this, I'm cut this one from here and I paste this statement over here. Okay, if these variables are declared over here during the creation of what actually the class. Okay, after this save this and go for a compilation. See, we will be getting 6 errors. What happens, because here ABC is not static, it was simply specified it's not static. Okay, so what happens, the static context takes only the static variables. Okay, means here these methods, these variables are not static. Static means the class type variables. Okay, these variables are not class variables. That's why these variables cannot be used under the static methods. Okay, So these variables cannot be used under the static method since they are not static. Okay. So and the next thing is here to what actually to fix this error, what we need to do is we need to redefine these variables within the public static void main. Okay. So this is what actually the program. Okay. So which has only a main method which will be having around some 3 variables and calculating the sum of 2 variables a. Okay. So this is what actually the simple application which uses variables. Okay. So compile this one. Okay. Run it. Okay. It will successfully run. Okay. So this is up to this tutorial. In the next tutorial we can discuss with how to create classes in Java applications. Thanks for watching this tutorial.